Welcome to Lab Junction, a brand owned by scientific people. Lab Junction offers water testing services, Lab Junction specializes in soil testing. Lab Junction also conducts blood testing. Our products can be found at our website, www.labjunction.in. You can also find our products at our Amazon website. Our products are also featured on our YouTube channel. Water testing ensures safety and quality by identifying contaminants. Soil testing improves crop yields and prevents nutrient deficiencies. Blood testing helps detect health issues early and guides effective treatment. Some of our products include Auto Deluxe pH Meter LJ101 3-point calibration, Auto Deluxe pH Meter LJ102 3-point calibration, Digital pH Conductivity TDS and Temperature Meter LJ182. Microprocessor pH ECMV Temperature Meter LJ1611. Microprocessor pH ECTDS Salinity MV Temperature Meter LJ1615. Microprocessor pH millivolts Temperature Meter 3-point calibration LJ1013. Mini Digital pH Meter LJ141. Mini Digital pH Meter LJ142. Microprocessor pH Meter LJ1015. Portable Digital pH Meter LJ136 handheld. Portable Digital pH Meter LJ131 handheld. You can shop online at our Amazon store and website and check out our YouTube channel. Lab Junction offers a range of high-quality testing products for water, soil, and blood analysis. Each product is crafted with advanced technology and rigorous quality control to deliver reliable, accurate results, empowering users to maintain health and safety standards effectively. Our highly trained staff ensures accurate results and reliable insights. At Lab Junction, precision and excellence are our top priorities. Lab Junction's commitment to excellence ensures that you receive reliable data for informed decisions. Lab Junction is proud to serve customers worldwide with exceptional service. Our clients consistently rave about our quality, speed, and professionalism. Thank you for making us your trusted lab partner.